Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you through the basics of using Fudo ShareAccess, your go-to solution for secure control access to shared accounts. We'll quickly cover four key areas: quick start, given access, getting an access, and managing accounts. So let's dive in. Our first dish will be the quick start. So getting started is a simple thing. So let me briefly explain what is necessary to begin using Fudo ShareAccess. Open the sign up page, as you can see it on the screen at the moment, and click up the sign up button. Now, another thing that you have to do is to provide your email address and create a strong password. Okay, you have to agree to terms and conditions and hit get started button. In the meantime, the confirmation will be necessary. So open your mailbox and check if there's any type of email that you just received. Well, there is one. Now, you have to click it, then the activation of the profile will be almost done, because the next thing that you have to do will be to log in for the first time and use a secondary factor, which in that case is going to be OATH. So scan the QR code and enter the 6-digit token visible on the screen of your mobile device. Secure code visible in the modal window. Code should be treated as like an additional support, so use a copy all button to copy the codes and save them in a secure location, or click download to backup your codes as a text file. And bear in mind that those keys will not be displayed anymore. Okay, now you have to name somehow your organization. In my case, it's going to be like this. And select give access and continue. Select continue. Another thing that you have to perform is to pair both instances, like the Fudo ShareAccess and the regular Enterprise. So copy your email address, log in into your instance, and under the Users tab, we'll be adding a new owner of the organization. Remember to set it with a super admin role, give a proper access to a safe, and also be sure that under the users data there's an email address paste within the email section. Save and close. Let's jump into the Fudo ShareAccess tab. And the things that you have to do right now to copy that pairing key from Fudo Enterprise. So copy the clipboard and paste it right here. We're just simply establishing a gateway for us to be able to connect to those resources. So save the gateway. And now we'll have to do the same thing, but from the level of ShareAccess, and join Fudo ShareAccess. That will be enough. Now we have to refresh the entire page because it seems that the connection got established already. Now let me refresh the trial license because that might be the issue at some point. And let's get back to the ShareAccess page and finalize the process. Do the same thing, just refresh the page. All right, so we are connected already. Let's get back to the resources to double check if we are able to see anything here. Yeah, we do have two different things, two different servers, one for the SSH, second one for the RDP protocol. We might try to connect to those, at least with the SSH. Yeah, it seems that the connection got established in the proper way.